It's a bright sunny day in So Harmony's world. Harmony and her little brother Deuce are on their way to the splash pad.
Hi friends! I'm Harmony the helper. This is my little brother Deuce. We're meeting our friends for a fun day at the splash pad.
Let's go with Harmony on this splish splash adventure.
Hi, Harmony and Deuce!
The friends ran through the fountains, played beneath the water arches, and took turns on the slides. But when it was Lila's turn, she stopped beside the slide. Harmony noticed that Lila did not look ready.
It's okay to be scared, but I promise it will be fun.
Lila took a deep breath. She looked at Harmony waiting below and decided she was ready to try.
Yay! That was awesome! You went super fast! You did it! Way to go!
See you in our next adventure.
So Harmony's world.